Hello viewers, this is Khalid Mahmood once again with you a new video. So the topic of the day is GIS companies in Saudi Arabia, the geographic information system in Saudi Arabia, the companies and jobs, and today I will discuss a lot about that. And most of the people that some of the GIS companies in Saudi Arabia, they require a transferable ikama sometimes. So I would like to explain regarding transferable ikama. The first thing, what is ikama? Ikama means the resident identity of the country. If you are an expatriate and you got a job over there, you came to Saudi Arabia, they will issue a resident identity for you, and that one is called as ikama in the local language Arabic. And transferable ikama means that if you are working within Saudi Arabia in a company and that company allows you to transfer your sponsorship from their company to someone else's company, that means it is a transferable ikama. So from last 2-3 years, from 2017-18, so they have a vision that is called Saudi Vision 2030, yani 2030. So in this vision, they are going to replace with their own nationals in the place of expatriates. So still we are in January 2020. So still we have 10 years, and we guys can put our efforts to get a job over there. If you are looking for a good job in Saudi Arabia, then this video is for you. I am trying to explain all the possibilities of all the GIS companies here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So if I forgot some of the companies, then kindly mention them in the comment box below so that I will include them in my next video. So let's get into the video. So my first recommendation in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, if you are going to join a good company in Saudi Arabia, that one is Esri Saudi Arabia. Their head office, Esri head office, is in California in USA, and if you would like to work with Esri Saudi Arabia, then definitely you should have a good skills, a good experience, at least 5 years, I can say. But it depends on some different requirements of the company. So you can go through different tabs, different options available there, and you can go through all of the website. It's available. You can go to contact us and find their contact details and send your resume and try your luck. So my next recommendation in Saudi Arabia is the Aramco Services Company. Saudi Aramco is one of the biggest oil and gas company in the world, as we know, and they are working in the GIS domain. So if you would like to work with them, then go through their website. I will mention all the website links in the description below. So I would recommend you to go through all of their available information in the website. And my next recommendation is Saudi Comet Co Limited. And the interesting thing is that this was my first company in Saudi Arabia when I came to Saudi Arabia. So this company was my first employer, and I love this company. The people are very nice, and they have a lot of GIS projects in the kingdom. As you can see, their clients, they have Saudi Aramco, SABIC, Royal Commission, Madan, Wood, and they have other clients. So if you would like to work with them, I would strongly recommend their company. So they have this email address. You can drop your resume if you have good skills, and if you would like to join their company, I strongly recommend them, as it was my first employer. My next recommendation is ACEC company. Here in the kingdom also, you can go through all of their available options. So it is Arabian Consulting Engineering Center in the kingdom. So I would strongly recommend you to go through their website, and you can see that they have a lot of clients in the kingdom. So they are still looking for some good GIS professionals. So you can explore their website, go to their contact us tab, and drop your CV. And the next company is AECOM, the future of infrastructure, as they are making their slogan. So you can explore their website, and they have different offices in Riyadh, in Jeddah city, and in Al Khubar city. So if you are interested to work with them, then you can drop your resume to these email addresses. And my next recommendation is AMCDE. So they have also a lot of GIS projects in the kingdom. You can explore their website. You can find them more about their email address uh, in the Google. So my next recommendation is Saudi Network Services. So currently I am working in a telecom sector here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in the Riyadh city. So some of my colleagues, they have been hired through this company, and this is one of the famous company in the kingdom, and they are really nice people. So you can join their company as well, Saudi Network Services. So you can explore their available jobs. So my next recommendation is propelconsult.com. They are currently looking for GIS positions. So I would strongly recommend you to go to their website and search for the available GIS position. And my next recommendation is Dar Al Riyadh. So they have a lot of clients in the kingdom, and they are also looking for GIS developers, GIS specialists, GIS analysts, GIS engineers, GIS managers. So I would strongly recommend you to go to their website and check all of their available services. And you can see their partners are Parsons, Wipro, and Louis Berger. You can explore these companies' profiles as well, and drop your CV to their email address. And my next recommendation is SGS services. So they also have GIS services in the kingdom, and they have a lot of clients in the kingdom. They are also looking for good GIS stuff. So I strongly recommend you to go to their website, find their email address, and drop your resume over there. And the next company is Aerial Imaging Saudi Arabia. Is one of the good company providing satellite images, aerial photographs to the companies who has involved in the remote sensing. So I strongly recommend you to go to their website, explore their website, go to contact us, drop your updated resume. You can study some of the basic definitions of geographic information system and remote sensing. They also have good stuff with good animations, so it will enhance your geo skills, geo knowledge. So they have Asia capturing every detail. So they have projects in different parts of the country. So I strongly recommend you to go to their website in detail. They have the equipment details as well. So they have different clients in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So I would strongly recommend you to go to all of these clients, explore their website, drop your CV. And my next recommendation is aliaict.com. They are also looking for good JS developers and JS analysts. So you should explore their website, find their email address, and drop your resume to their email address. So I would strongly recommend you to go to LinkedIn website as well and find all of these employers on LinkedIn, and find all of the available jobs in the LinkedIn portfolio as well. And my next recommendation is Al Tayyar Recruitment. Currently, they are looking for a JS specialist in Saudi Arabia. So you can explore them, you can find them on the Google. So I will provide the link in the description below. And my next recommendation is Redfish Solutions, Saudi Arabia. So currently they are also looking for some of the GIS professionals. So they can provide a new visa if you are an expatriate and you are not in the kingdom, you are in your own country. You can apply to them. If you have a good profile, they can provide a new visa to you, and then through an agency you can come to the kingdom. And my next recommendation is conec.in, and you can go to their website. They are also hiring people from Asia, and you can join them. They have different clients in the kingdom. So I strongly recommend you again to explore all of these clients. And my next recommendation is cognizant.com. They also have geospatial services and surveying services in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. They also have different offices in national at a global level. So my next recommendation is jobski.com. So I would strongly recommend you to explore their website, read all of the information available on the website, and find their email address in the contact tab, and explore them, drop your updated resume. And my last but not the least recommendation is amchamena.org. Explore their website and drop your updated resume. They are also looking for a good JS specialist, JS developers. And in the last tab, I will show you uh, how you can find these companies and read about their job descriptions, the available GIS jobs. These are the GIS companies, and let me show you how to find their jobs from the Google. But I strongly recommend you go to LinkedIn, find all of these companies, and drop your resume over there. So here is the trick: is that once you will go to the Google and you will write about them. For example, in the Google you have to go and you have to just write this JS companies in Saudi Arabia. Then just hit, you will found a like this website. Click on that. You can see the AECOM. They are looking for JS specialist in Jeddah. And the next company is Aramco Services Company. They are also looking for GIS specialist. And Altair Recruitment, they are also looking for JS specialist. And AECOM, they are also looking for JS specialist. Aramco Services Company, JS specialist, and a lot you can find. See, Redfish Company, they are looking for JS specialist. And you can find a lot all of these jobs here. So I would strongly recommend you at the end of the video that go to LinkedIn and find all of these companies over there, and search for their careers and make your strong LinkedIn profile and drop your resume over there. And at the end of the video, thank you very much for watching the video. If you are new to the channel, then kindly do subscribe and press the like button, and watch other chess relevant videos, so that it will encourage me to make more videos for you guys. So for the time being, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, good luck.